Everyone has good and bad days. To some extent, our happiness depends on how we handle the bad things. When faced with a serious problem, how do you usually react? Maybe you've heard about the power of positive thinking, but what does it mean to be positive? One man who can tell you is Nick Vujicic. He has dealt with bigger problems than most people, and he is known for his positive attitude. Born in Melbourne, Australia, Nick has a rare genetic disorder. He has no arms or legs, just a small foot attached to his left hip, which he calls his chicken drumstick. When Nick was a boy, he suffered a lot of bullying because of his appearance. He felt there was no purpose to his life. At the age of 10, he even attempted suicide by rolling over in the bathtub. He would have killed himself then if he hadn't realized the pain his parents would feel. To his parents, Nick was special and they loved him the way he was. One day, his mother showed him an article about people with severe disabilities. Nick began to feel less alone in his struggle. His deep religious faith also gave him the strength to face his disability with hope. In high school, he gave a speech telling other students about himself. Some of them were very touched and moved to tears. That was when Nick found that he could bring courage to people through his story. Therefore, he decided to pursue a career as a motivational speaker. At last, he had a purpose in life. Now Nick has a beautiful wife and 4 children and lives a fulfilling life. Like able-bodied people, he can accomplish most everyday tasks. He also swims and has even gone skydiving. Furthermore, his chosen career has led to success. Nick has traveled all over the world, and millions have heard him speak. He has visited Taiwan on several occasions and received a tremendous reception each time. Many people have been inspired by Nick Vujicic. Some have been driven to improve their lives after hearing him speak. Nick often says he made a choice, which he has described in these words: "We should not be angry for what we don't have, but be grateful for what we do have." For Nick Vujicic, being positive means giving instead of receiving, and it means living a life without limits.